is Nuruddin Rizal. My name is F31230529. In here, I want to explain about narrative text. Before I explain narrative text, do you know about narrative text before? If you don't know, I will tell you what actually is a narrative text. Simply put, a narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or describes a sequence of events. The purpose of a narrative text is to entertain to or inform the reader by presenting a series of events in a coherent and engaging way. Now, in this PowerPoint, I will tell you about uh, the definition of narrative text and characteristic of narrative text and the function of narrative text and the types of narrative text. Firstly, there are some characteristics of narrative text. One, using past tense. Narrative text often contains past tense because they typically recount events or stories that have already occurred. Using the past tense helps to create a sense of time and sequence, which enables the reader to follow the plot and understand the progression of events. Also, writing in the past tense gives context and shows a clear link between action and their results, which helps the reader get into the story and understand what the characters are going through. 2. Using adverbial of time. Narrative texts often use adverbials of time to provide a clear structure and sense of progression to the story. These time expressions help the reader understand when events are happening, how they are related to one another, and the overall flow of the narrative. By providing a context for the sequence of events, adverbials of time create a more vivid and engaging reading experience. They enable the reader to follow the plot more easily and immerse themselves in the story, as they can visualize the events unfolding within a specific time frame. 3. Using adjective. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, or put it simply, adjectives are words that give more information about nouns such as its color, shape, size, characteristic, and other. In narrative text, adjective helps create a more detailed and vivid story. Example: the brave knight entered the dark, mysterious forest, ready to face any challenge that lie ahead. This example, the adjective brave, dark, and mysterious, and deep to the description, giving the reader a clear sense of the knight's personality and the atmosphere of the forest. 4. Using noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that contains a noun along with any accompanying modifiers such as adjective, adverb, or other nouns that provide more information about the main noun. Noun phrase help create detailed and vivid description in stories. In narrative text, noun phrase can be used to give more detailed description, highlight certain parts of a character or setting, or explain complicated ideas concisely. Now we go to function and purpose of narrative text. The purpose of narrative text is to tell a story or recount a series of events in an engaging and entertaining way for the reader. Some narrative texts may also have didactic or instructive purpose, such as teaching moral lesson or sharing information about historical events or specific cultural traditions. And yes, narrative texts also have social functions which include entertaining, providing information, and of course, educating the readers. And so, what does the structure of narrative text look like? One, orientation. Orientation sets the stage for the story. Ideally, the orientation should answer the question who, where, and when. So so when reading the orientation part, we should be able to identify the character and setting, both time and place of the story. Two, complication. The sections contains the problems that occur within a story. It is divided into three parts, namely 1. Rising action. Problem began to emerge. 2. Climax. Peak of the problem. 3. Falling action. The tension of the problem begins to decrease and the solution starts to emerge. 3. Resolutions. The resolution is the part of the narrative where the conflict or problem introduced earlier in the story is resolved and addressed. This may involve characters finding a solution to their issues, overcoming obstacles, or experiencing personal growth. The resolutions helps tie up loose ends, providing closure for the reader and allowing them to see how the events of the story have impacted the characters. 4. Reorientations or evaluation. Reorientations, also known as evolution, is an optional component of a narrative text that serves to reflect on the story and its events, reinforcing the moral lesson or them. This section typically appears at the end of the story, providing a summary or commentary on the characters' experience and the consequence of their actions. Now we go to types of narrative text. There are 5 types of narrative text. 1. Fictional narrative. A fictional narrative is a story that is not based on real events or real people. It can be a novel, short story, fable, or fairy tale. 2. Autobiography. An autobiography is a narrative text that tells the life story of the author written from a first-person perspective. 3. Biography. A biography is a narrative text that tells the life story of someone other than the written from a third person's perspective. For memoir, a memoir is a narrative text that focuses on a particular period or even in author's life, often written from a first-person perspective. 5. A legend is kind of folklore. It's a traditional story that has been passed on for generations. It often explains the origins of particular culture or society. Uh, Here it's all my explanation about narrative text. If you want ask to me about narrative text, just comment in my YouTube channel. I will answer your question. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.